你们好，我是梁老师。The website I want to share with you is called Word Language Games. This website, you can name it like see Quizlet, GameKit, Flipgrid, or any other website you know. I put everything together in this website. First, I want you to bookmark this website because all of your homework and your online quiz test, your study, all come from this website. Before you do any games, I want you to do how to quick study. Even you missed the class for any reason, you still can use this website to reinforce everything you learned in class or you missed in class. First, you sign your name. For example, all the names is based on your initial of your last name, okay? So first, for example, I sign as Nevasia. And you go to Quick Study. This is click vocabulary. Okay, so once you click vocabulary, you can see all the vocabulary words you learned so far. Okay, it's called current words. And this is everything you are going to learn in 7th grade. So now I just want you to click current words. Don't you think these words all look familiar to you? Like if you do not know, now I want you to ignore the characters. We are going to learn how to write. At this moment, you do not have to know how to write these characters. You only need to learn pronunciation and also definition. For example, say, how do I say you? 你. I want to learn how to pronounce it. You click audio, and then you can hear, you can repeat after the audio. Okay? For example, here, do you have any questions? 有没有问题? But I want to know how to pronounce it better so I can show off in the class next time. Yeah, you can click this. This is everything we learned so far. As long as we learn more, Liang Laoshi is going to make longer list. Don't you think you can learn this at home without Liang Laoshi? Have fun. This is how you learn vocabulary, okay?